Whether you're looking for a dental materials manufacturer and supplier, Bloomden is a wise choice for you. At present, Bloomden Bioceramics is dedicated to offering a range of special dental restoration materials, including pre-shaded zirconia blocks, waxes, titanium porcelain powders, glass ceramics and other dental materials, as well as dental lab equipment, providing a variety of customized dental solutions, professional technical support, and efficient after-sales services to lab and clinical clients. Bloomden has research and development center to provide CAD and CAM technologies. Our CAD and CAM technology and metal-free materials are used by dentists and dental laboratories to provide patients with milled ceramic crowns, veneers, onlays, inlays, and bridges. Dental CAD and CAM also is used to fabricate abutments for dental implants, used to replace missing teeth. Bloomden was founded in 2012 and is located in Changsha, covering an area of about 8,000 square meters. Bloomden has an industry university research integrated factory with more than 100 employees and established overseas subsidiaries in the United States. Since its establishment, our products are sold in more than 100 countries, including America, Russia, Europe, Southeast Asia, etc. Our zirconia blocks are widely used for CAD and CAM milling systems, covering Wieland, Zircon, Zon, Sirona, Ammengerbach, etc. In the 12 years of development, Bloomden has been awarded many honorary titles such as High-Tech Enterprise, Eagle Enterprise, Provincial Industry University Research Base, and Hunan New Material Enterprise. It has established 6 company-level scientific research projects, applied for more than 20 patents, and authorized 11 items, including 3 invention patents, 8 utility model patents, and more than 30 domestic and international trademarks. We are always making forward and steady progress. Quality System Certification and Patent Certificate ISO 13485. We strongly believe that the success of our customer and partner is also our success, and our company that has established with keeping customers smile and trust. Our company expanding to the world with a value proposition: better trust, better smile.